Hey guys, Todd Tiemot here. Just wanted to shoot this quick video on how to create a landing page in Builderall and how to do it on a custom domain, because it's a question I get a lot and I see it a lot in different forums for Builderall that I'm in, is how do I connect my custom domain? And that's what this video is about, is creating a landing page from the template, doing some minor modifications and hooking it to a custom domain. So if that's where you want to be, then you're in the right place. And what I'm going to do is start a timer here so we can see exactly how long it takes. I'm going to shoot this video without stopping, so there might be some mistakes that I make. Hope you'll bear with me, but I wanted to show you in real time how all this works. So basically, I'll start the timer here. We'll go over to Builderall. What you want to do first is go to your Pixel Perfect Builder, go down to New Website, and I've already chosen which one I want to do. I want to go over here to the Sales Funnels and go down here to the Free Book Funnel. And then basically you can choose from any of these templates, and all you have to do to drag it into your account and start editing it is hit Edit here. So I'm going to do this free fidget spinner giveaway. While we wait for that to load up here, basically you can obviously change any of this. Like I'm going to change the offer to, say, a free vacation giveaway. Free Now, one thing that I'm not going to do is connect up all the email and stuff. That's actually going to be tomorrow's video. Is I'll show you how to connect that to a mailing boss list. But so now I'm going to go in here and change this. Instead of a image, I want it to be a video instead. So I'll go over here and get my video. So I'll add my YouTube video. I'll take out this picture here. Drag my video in here. Now, one thing you want to make sure you do is, after you get your video in here and get it sized, or get any new element in here, basically you want to, go over here to your mobile view and make sure it's showing up, because normally what happens when you insert new things is it sticks it off over here to the side. So you've got to go in here and make it sized correctly for your mobile device. That way it shows up properly. But basically, so now I've got the, hit there, configure. I've got the YouTube video right here that I want to put in there. There you go. Now what you do to save this to your account is you go up here and hit save. And it's going to ask you where you want to put it. This is, we'll just put it on free vacation here. Vacation. Okay, and then you hit save. Okay, and so then it's saved into your account. So, and you can see up here, here's your different pages with the funnel. If you wanted to edit those pages, you can do that. Right now I'm just going to mess with this one. So now that we've got it saved, we can go back over here to our Pixel Perfect Builder, and you go to My Sites, and when it opens up, it should show the new site in there. See free vacation there. See how it's not underlined, or it's not in blue and it's not a hyperlink. That's how you know that it's connected. So what you do, it says it's not published here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish it. And you can do this in really any order. I don't think it really matters. Maybe it does, and I just don't know it. But I've never had it matter really. So now I'm going to say I want to connect a domain, and the domain that I want to connect it to is over here at Namecheap. It's this superstargrowth.com domain. Oops, and I'm 4 minutes there, so I want to put that in here, and I want to select that I want it on the CDN in all regions. That makes sure that it's the fastest response possible. It's a worldwide at this point. You can also, if you just want it published in North America or one of these other locations, you can do that, but I'm going to publish it worldwide. Excuse me. And if you wanted to buy your domain, you can do it right here, and that would save you the hassle of setting up your domain that I'm going to go into in here in just a second. If you buy it straight from Builderall, then they do all the setup for you. If you have it at another name provider, like I have this at Namecheap, you have to go into that name provider and make some changes. So what this is going to do is pop up, and it's going to tell me I need to change the name servers to these two name servers. And this might take a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit to propagate DNS across the internet. So this is Namecheap, where I have my domains at. You would just hit manage the domain that you want to change, and then on the domain you're going to go down here into your name servers and hit custom DNS, and then you're going to put the domains in there, and the other one was NS4, and then hit this. Wait for it to update. So now it is updating. It can take up to 48 hours. Usually it doesn't. So now I've got that changed. I'm going to say, okay, I got it. Let me connect the domain. Okay, and now it's connected. It says publication pending. Now another thing you can do, and what I recommend you do right away, is you go in here and you make it secure. So you activate the SSL. And let the screen refresh here. And then if you open this up, it should, yeah, it hasn't, the DNS hasn't resolved all the way yet. So here we are at 6 minutes, and the page looks, if you open it up here and edit, this is what it's going to look like. See if we can get it to pop up here. Well, it'll always pop up here, but so when if you go to preview, this is what it should look like on a desktop right now. You know, you can play the video, you know, and could give away the free vacations there. On mobile, it's going to look like this. Obviously, you'd want to do some more editing and stuff, but I'm kind of trying to delay here so that we see if it'll pop up here in the window when we type it in. So let's see. So superstargrowth.com. Okay, so now it's pointing at this is Builderall's 404 page. So so that means that the DNS has taken. So now I just it's got to publish. Builderall has to actually publish this website to that domain, which takes a few minutes for it to replicate and get across all the way across the internet. So we can see here. What I'll do is I'll pause this or I'll pause the video, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what time it is. So right now we're at 7:20. We've got the landing page built. We're just waiting for it to replicate across the internet so that we can actually see it. Oh, and there it is. So there's your video. It'll play, you know, just like we expect it to. And then I've got it muted. That's why you can't hear it. So then, so we're at less than 8 minutes in, and we've got our landing page set up. We've got a custom domain hooked up. If we refresh this page, it should say it's published. It still says publication pending because it's still replicating across the entire world. But once it gets fully replicated, you'll have a yes here, and you'll see the little lock that says it's SSL as well. And there you go. That's how you do it.